Have you ever found yourself tangled in the complexities of C++ code, especially when working with Clang AST? It can be quite the puzzle, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to retrieve template parameters from a CXXConstructExpr in Clang AST. I totally get it. When you're trying to extract information from the Clang AST and things just aren't working out, it can be incredibly frustrating. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Let's set the stage with a specific question from a user. They have a variable declaration like std vector myType myVector1, and they want to extract the declaration for myType from the CXXConstructExpr. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? The user has tried various methods to retrieve the template parameters, but keeps hitting dead ends. This is a common hurdle when working with Clang AST, and understanding the structure is key to finding a solution. And stick around, I have a valuable tip at the end that will help you navigate Clang AST more effectively. To retrieve template parameters from a CXXConstructExpr in the Clang AST, the user should first ensure they have access to the constructor of the expression. This is done by getting the constructor from the CXXConstructExpr. Next, the user needs to check if the constructor is a template. If it is, they can retrieve the template specialization arguments. This is crucial for accessing the template parameters. After obtaining the template specialization arguments, the user can iterate through these arguments to extract the necessary types. This will allow them to access the type information from myType. Finally, the user should ensure they handle any potential null Peter cases. This is important to avoid runtime errors when accessing the template parameters. Fun fact, the Clang AST is like a map of your code, but sometimes it feels like trying to read a treasure map written in a foreign language. Don't worry, we're here to decode it together. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a matcher that starts with the variable declaration. This matcher traverses to the type, which is a class template specialization decal within the vector's class template decal. In the callback, you can access the template argument list and work with individual template arguments. In the provided code, after obtaining the class template specialization decal, you can loop through the template arguments. For each argument, check if it's a type argument and retrieve its type. This allows you to print out the template arguments for the variable declaration. For example, if you declare a vector of a struct, the output will show the template arguments, including the struct type and the allocator type. You can find the full example in the Code Analysis and Refactoring with Clang Tools Examples repository on GitHub. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your matchers in the context in which you're trying to retrieve information from the AST. This can save you a lot of time and headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to retrieve the template parameters from your CXXConstructExpr. Remember, understanding the Clang AST is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastery. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more insights, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Clang AST challenges.